students. Good morning. Welcome back to Taekwondo class. My name is Amarnath Ramaya Krishna. So let's begin our class today. So I hope everybody have drank water at least 30 minutes before. You need to drink a glass of water so that you can keep yourself hydrated. And always preferable that you have few badams so that you can have the stamina to continue the class. Okay? Good students. So let's begin our class. Okay? Chirip. Kyunki? Record. Okay, let's see our students oath. Repeat after me. I shall observe the tenets of Taekwondo. I shall respect the instructors and seniors. I shall never misuse Taekwondo. I shall be a champion of freedom and justice. I shall build a more peaceful world. Hands down. 5 tenets. Courtesy, integrity, perseverance, self-control, and indomitable spirit. Debate. So good students. So for the previous classes we've learned many things. We've learned the theory of Taekwondo, right? Today we are going to learn we are going to learn the rules and regulations, right? The philosophy of Taekwondo, right? The first philosophy of Taekwondo, very, very important, right? Like when you enter the class, how you respect your instructor, right? And the class, the moment you enter the class, you need to go to the class and then first you need to go to the instructor. And the distance when you go to the instructor, it has to be at least 3 feet away. And then you need to go. And while you're going, you need to have the complete respect. Looking at the instructor, you need to go, right? You know how to go, correct? This is one of the first one. The second instruction is that whenever you exit the class, right? Whenever you exit the class, you need to ask the permission. And you cannot stand in the position where you are and ask the permission. You need to go all the way to the instructor where he is standing or she is standing. Then you need to ask the permission and then exit the class. Understood, students? Right? And for example, you need to take a water break, right? Loo break, right? And also you need to go to the washroom. You need to ask the permission and then only go. You cannot just walk away. Students, please understand, Taekwondo class is nothing different than your normal class. The way you dress up, coming with the uniform to the class, in the same fashion, in the same way, you need to enter the class with the complete uniform. I have seen students who just come into the class without wearing a proper pant, not washed, right? Now that we don't see a physical class, however, when I'm doing the class to you, don't you see me and my instructors being in the complete uniform? So while performing the Taekwondo class, right, you should also be in the uniform. So wear a belt properly, your cloth should be neatly washed, ironed, and then only wear it. Understood, students? And whenever something is asked to you, you need to respond with yes sir, yes ma'am, no sir, or a no ma'am. And you're not going to call your instructor with the name. Okay, you're going to call with sir, and the masters you need to call with Sabu. It's called as Sabu. Where we call as a professor, right, who is the highest grade in education. In the same way, when it comes to our Taekwondo, we need to call Sabu. Understood, students? Okay. Now let's start with our warm-up exercises. And along with that, we are going to do today, we're going to do two-step sparring, which is 5th and 6th. The last classes we have done 1, 2, 3 and 4. So today we are going to do 5th and 6th. Okay, so today is going to be a special class. The reason is my instructor is going to be there here. I have requested him. So he is going to come and teach us the 5th and the 6th. So please be attentive and let's take and grab more out of it. Okay, students? Okay, let's begin. Hands on your hip. Okay, look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. With your shoulders. Reverse. Swing your arms front and back. Outside, open your chest out. And while opening your chest out, your heel should be up. Try pushing your chest out. Okay. Fingertips on your shoulder. Rotate. Reverse. Okay. Rotate your fist. Lock your fingers. Rotate. This is very important because while doing push-ups, what we do is we don't give a good amount of warm-up to our wrist, then we sprain our fist, right? Okay. Push your palm out. Palm up. Sideways. Change. You need to feel the pain, students. Just don't do it. You should feel the stretch. Whatever exercises I'm doing, I may doing it for a few seconds. I would always say do it for at least 30 seconds. Each position has to be go for 30 seconds. Because of the time constraints, it's been done in a very short time. Hands up. Go, don't jerk, just keep going towards the side. Make sure your elbow is behind your ears. Change. Out your fingers, move forward. Towards the right. Bend down towards the left. Hands on your hip, rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Move the legs. Hold your ankle. Okay. Okay. Make sure your knees are pointing exactly down 90 degrees. Okay. Press. The heel should be touching your glutes. Okay. Don't drop your leg. Take it inside. This will help you to maintain your balance. Okay. I've seen students taking the support to wear the shoes. Such a simple thing, and you need a chair. No. If you do this, you would not require any support to wear your shoes. Or when it's rainy season, you can balance yourself and hop around and go. Clear? Vertical. Good. Left. Inside. Out. Vertical. 25 jumps. Stick your right leg forward. Rotate. Clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Change. Okay. 10 jumping jacks completely, okay? It has to go all the way around, okay? Ready? your legs. Spread your legs. Put the heel down. Okay. Push forward. Push forward. Turn your heel. Go down. Hands up. Down. Change. Heel down. Push your hip forward. Bend your knees. Heel up. Hands up. Students, let's do some front kicks so that you can warm up your legs. Ready? So go to fighting position. When I say Jumbi, you want to go to fighting position. Ready? Jumbi. So let's do some front kicks. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait. Let's take a break for 30 seconds. Have a water sip of water. Okay, and let's come back. Okay.
Suryat. Gi. Take one. Turn. Suryat. Gi. Take one. Okay, students. Today we'll practice two-step sparring number 5 and 6. Okay, number 5. Okay. First, you take one arm distance. Always, whenever you perform two-step sparring. Okay, Jumbi. Once again, Chariot. Pigi. Take one. Jumbi. Okay, now he will be the attacker. I am a defender. Okay. The first step is knife and lower block. Okay, and he will attack with knife and downward strike. That is a hammer strike. I take my right leg back and I perform a rising knife and block. Same like forearm block rising. I perform a knife and block rising. Ready? May. Start. 1.
Here.
Slow motion. Come back to me. Slow motion. Start. 1. So you perform knife and lower block. Then knife and downward strike. 2. I perform a right leg back walking stance, knife and rising block. Ready? This is first count, huh? Okay, 2. Okay. Then after this, I shift, I rotate the hand, okay, and twist the opponent and take my back leg and I make him unbalanced. And I take my right hand down to walking stance and hit with the knife, this elbow downward strike. And break is back, like this. Okay? To be. Okay, once again check. Once again, ready? Start. Open up knife and lower block. Start. 1. Okay, and he attacks me with knife and downward strike. 2. Okay, I block with the same knife and rising block. 3. Okay, I catch his wrist and rotate with the clockwise direction and take the back leg and make it unbalanced. 3. Then take the elbow downward strike. 4. Kya! Okay, Jumbi. Okay, this is almost like a self-defense, huh? We'll perform this same little faster. Okay, once again, ready? Start. Two-step sparring number 5. Ready? Open now. 1. Here. 2. Okay. Little bit up. 3. They don't move. This clockwise rotation and releasing up, and I do a sweeping kick. Should be done together. Here. Okay, up. Me. Very good. Surya. Me. Okay. Clear, children. Clear with step sparring number 5. Okay, we'll start with number 6. Okay. Here there will be little bit changes with the attacking position. Ready? Now just check. Take one shoulder distance. Okay. This is sparring number 6. Again stance, lower block. Ready? 1.
Cue.
Slow motion. Come back to me. Slow motion. 1. After he gives a warning, I also take the warning. Here. Now we shift into punch. 2. Yeah. Okay. I take my right leg back. Outer forearm, inward block. Now one more punch. 2. I shift again. And do outer inward block. Then I twist my leg to X stance. Turn. And take my right hand. And do back fist high strike to the temple, and back fist same to the lower abdomen or to the solar flex, depending on the height of the opponent. Back fist high to the temple, back fist again to the solar flex or to lower abdomen. Okay, come back, Jimmy. Once again, ready? Start now. Slow motion. Open up. 1. Okay. 2. Ready. Outer forearm inward block. 1. Then 2. Then I turn, rotate. 3. 4. Be. Okay. We'll do in the fast motion, huh? 2 sparring. Number 6. See. Check. Cue. 1, 2, 3. Me. Okay. Chariot. Singi. Turn. Chariot. Singi. Okay. 2 sparring is a form of self-defense, huh? So it's very important. So everybody, Jannat Shah made easy to learn Taekwondo. When you start learning self-defense, when you clear your step sparring, that is 3 step sparring, 2 step sparring and 1 step sparring, your further self-defense techniques will be easy to learn. Clear, children? Okay, thank you so much. See you soon for the next week. Chariot. Take 1.